In this video, I will quickly walk you through on how to remove personal information from Microsoft Word document. If maybe you're a publisher or you work with documents and you send this document to another system, all right? I don't want the system to, the document to have your personal information added to it when you're sending it out. This video will put you through on how to remove your personal information from that document. For me, I remove it because I'm a publisher on Amazon KDP and I don't want that to be tracked. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's assume this is a document I want to publish as a book. All right. Okay, though I know this is short, this is not a book I want to publish anyway. It's on a manuscript. So be on the document and then take these further steps. Click on File. Okay, once you click on File, click on Info. All right. So in this info section, you'll see Inspect Documents. Click this drop down here. All right. Then you select Inspect Document again. Then here you will see some options, comment revisions and versions, document properties, and personal information. This is where we are interested in. All right. So uncheck this box by clicking into them. These other ones, uncheck them. All right. Uncheck these by clicking into the boxes, and here's one. Okay, look at this. So I have unchecked all these boxes. Just this one left, document properties and personal information. So once this box is only checked, click on inspect. Okay, now look at what it says. The document properties and personal information. The following document information was found. Document properties, author. All right. So this was found. All right. Meaning that if I take this to publish somewhere without doing this, deleting all this personal information, I will be tracked. So I don't want any form of tracking. Okay. So that I can publish I can write and say to different publishers. Okay. Without saying this is coming from the same person, this is coming from the same person, and maybe it may trigger my account termination on Amazon KDP. I don't want that. Okay. So I'll click on this remove all. All right. Once you click on that remove of, you see now document properties and personal information. Okay. Document properties and personal information. Document properties and personal information was successfully removed. If you like, you can reinspect again by clicking on this and still inspect again. And you can see that no document properties or personal information was found. All right. So that's to show that I'm sure that I've done this successfully. Then we click on close. Okay, so then you go back by clicking on this back arrow. Then you can see here it's telling you personal information removal enabled. No problem. I'll click this for me to close this. Okay, then I can click on save button. Okay, for every changes I made now to be saved. Okay, or you can go further. After that, go further and receive this file. So I'll click on file. Then I'll select save as. Then select browse. All right, so this opens on this folder in this folder, which is where I saved this first copy. Okay, no problem. I can just delete one thing here. Call it maybe after deletion. Okay, I know what that means. So you give it a name of your choice, after deletion, or anything of your choice. Then the next step you need to take is this author section. Godwin Godwin Uzi is placed there, but I will click here and delete that. Okay, I can replace it with a name of my choice, like say, let's say cat, just cat. Just put in the name of your choice there and click on save. Still click on save again. So this is now saved with no personal information of yours. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, self-publishing. Please subscribe to learn more if you're interested in any of these content types. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me hear your opinion. Do you have further questions on this? Just drop that in the comment section and hit the like button. This video here will teach you more on how to complete more tasks on Microsoft Word document or Word application. Okay, so you can watch it to learn more. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.